Pyramid of a square base. Pyramid of a what? A square base. The question is, what is a pyramid? Before I define a pyramid, I believe you have heard of the seven ancient wonders of the world. Ancient wonders of the world. If you have heard about it, one of the ancient wonders of the world is the pyramid, the Great Pyramid in Egypt. And if you also have heard of mummies, when they had a movie called Mummies, and even another movie titled God of Egypt, the pyramid was used in the movie. That like a block-like structure, such as we have here, a block-like structure that have a sharp edge, but the body look like what is triangular in nature. That's what a pyramid. So when we talk about a pyramid, we are simply talking about a solid shape with triangular what faces. A solid shape with triangular faces meeting at a point. So we have what solid shape. This is solid shape. Solid shape is shape that you can touch, you can feel, you can touch. So it have what triangular face. Look at this. This is triangular in nature. This face is triangular. This face is triangular. And if you look this from the front view, if we take a left view, we see another triangular faces behind also. So this was a solid shape. It has triangular faces, and the faces they meet at the what top. They meet at the top at a point. That's what we refer to as what a prism. So this one is what triangular face, another triangular face, and the triangular faces all meet at a point on top. So this is what a prism. But what we'll be considering today is prism that is formed on a square base. Prism on a what? Square base. When we talk about square, we have thought that a square, the length is equal to the what? Breadth. The length is equal to the what? Breadth. Therefore, the area of a square is what? Length times breadth. And since the length is equal to the breadth, we can say it's equal to L times L. So L times L is same thing as L square. So this is the formula for the area of a square. L what? Square, which is L times L, which is the area of a what? Square. And I have told you that when you are looking for the area of a shape that have a slant height, that is slant, usually multiply the base area, multiply the base area by 1 all over 3, then multiply it with the height of the what? The solid what? Shape. But we'll look at that in detail as we proceed. So this is a what? Pyramid. So the formula for the area of a pyramid, we say that is what? Of the volume of a pyramid rather, is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the what? Pyramid. 1/3 the area of the base times the height of the what? Pyramid. So look at it. This is our pyramid. So this is the base of the pyramid. Let me wipe my screen. So this is the what? Pyramid. Look at the base. These are the base. Length and breadth. This is the base. So where it's resting upon, where it sits upon, that's the base. And the base of this pyramid is what? A square. It's a what? Square. So what we simply do to get the volume of the what? Pyramid, we will multiply 1/3 times the what? Area of the base. And since the area of the base is a square, we say that it's what? L times what? L, which is what? L square. Then times the height of the what? Pyramid. Times the what? Height of the what? Pyramid. So that's the formula we'll be using to calculate the volume of a square, sorry, of a pyramid sitting on a square base. Pyramid of a square what? Base. So in a nutshell, the volume of a pyramid is what? 1/3 L square times what? H. So this is the volume of a what? Pyramid. So let's take this example. A pyramid on a square base of side 10 cm has a height of 15 cm. Find its volume. Please, not the height. So it's what? Volume. We are looking for the volume. They have already given us the height. So which height are we looking for again? Do we look for something that is not missing? I believe that, Joe. So let's look for the what? Volume of the what? Pyramid. So how do we calculate the volume? I told you that the volume of a pyramid on a square base is 1/3 times the what? L square, which is the formula for the area of a square. That is the square base, times the what? Height. So this is the formula for the word volume of a word pyramid on a square base. So we have 1/3 times, if we proceed back, the base side is 10 centimeter. The base side is what? 10 what? Centimeter. So since it's base side, the base side is 10 centimeter. If you look at this picture, let's go back a little bit. This picture, this is the base side, is 10 centimeter. And if here is 10 centimeter, here is also 10 centimeter because it's a square base. So this is 10 centimeter. So L will be what? 10 what? Square times the height. We are given the height as what? 15 what? Centimeter. So times what? 15. So if let's compute now. We know that 3 divide 3, 3 divide 3, 1, 3 divide 15 what? 5. 5. Then we have what? 1 times 10 square is what? 100 times what? 5. So if we proceed, we have 1 times 100 times 5. So if we carry out this operation, we have what? 1 times 100, 100. 100 times 5, what? 500. Then our unit of measurement was in centimeter. Since we are looking at volume, our answer will be in what? Cube. So the volume of this pyramid is what? 500 centimeter what? Cube. 500 centimeter cube. So let's take the next one. The base of a pyramid is a 12 centimeter by 12 centimeter. The base of a pyramid is what? 12 centimeter by what? 12 centimeter. So since it's a 12 by 12 centimeter, it was square. What actually close there is the what is hidden is square. Then we don't need to the information of it being told. We don't need information that it's a square. We don't need to be told that it's a square. So that's why I just cancel it, so that at least you will use your word. You will be able to think rationally to know that it's a square. Why do I know it's a square? Even though this square was cancelled, look at it. The base of a pyramid is a 12 by 12 centimeter. If it's 12 by 12 centimeter, it means that the length is 12 centimeter and the breadth is what? 12 centimeter. In such a case, it's a what? Square word base. So it's a square word base. They say that the height is what? 20 centimeter. We are required to find the volume of the word pyramid. To calculate the word volume of the word pyramid. The volume of pyramid, as I have said earlier, the volume of a pyramid is equals to 1/3 base area, 1/3 the base area times the height of the word pyramid. And if we go back to the pyramid, we have 1/3 times, since it's a 12 by 12 centimeter, that the length is 12 centimeter, so we put what? 12 square times, what is the height? The height is what? 20 centimeter, so we have what? 20 centimeter. So let us carry out this operation. Let's carry out this word operation. So what we simply have here is this. So what we simply have, we have the volume of this pyramid is equals to, from here we stop at, okay, let's carry out this operation. From here we stop. We have 1/3 times 12 square is same thing as 12 times 12. Then times the height was what? 20. So we have our what? 20 here. So 3 divide 3, 1. 3 divide 12, we have 4. So what we simply have, we have 4 times 12 times 20. And when we carry out this operation, we have what? 4 times 12 times 20 is equal to 960. Then our unit of measurement was in what? Centimeter. Was in what? Centimeter. So we put our centimeter. Since we are measuring volume, we should not forget in a rush to put our unit of measurement of volume, which is what? Cube. So the volume of this word, right, pyramid of a square base is what? 960 what? Centimeter cube. So that's the word volume of the word cube. Now for your assignment, you solve this problem for me. Find the volume of a pyramid of a 8 centimeter square base and height of 15 was centimeter. So since you are told that the basis was square, you just input the formula that the square is L square times L. Then we are given the height. I know this is quite easy for you to solve, and I hope to see your what answers submit as early as possible. So thanks for being part of my class. God bless you and have a nice day. Bye.